May I now call upon Shri Mukesh Khetarpal ji, brother of Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, PVC, for the concluding remarks.
General Gurmeet, General Bakshi, Ali, Vaibhav, and the entire cast and crew. General Bakshi, I'm not going to forgive you because you made me cry today. You made me relive every single moment that happened to me 53 years ago. Scene by scene, it all came back to me. Yes, I grieve. Even now, it's painful to me. It happened 53 years ago, but it still hurts. But on the other hand, I am immensely proud, and especially so because General Bakshi has played out that scene moment by moment. And it gives me a big sense of pride to see what my brother did in those last few moments of his life. Thank you, General Bakshi. Thank you so much. I know there are a lot of war veterans that are sitting here today. Thank you all for coming. Thank you, Gurmeet sir, for honoring us with your presence. And I look forward to seeing many more gathas which you have in the pipeline. Yeah? I'm sure each one is going to be equally inspiring. Thank you very much.
Thank you everybody for gracing this occasion.